FC Pro, an outdoor display solution.
To make more good quality outdoor display solution, FC Pro made by aluminium materials.
We use aluminium because
Aluminium naturally forms a protective oxide layer that shields it from rust and corrosion. It is a great thermal conductor. Aluminum is called fireproof. It melts at around 660 degrees Celsius, higher than the temperature of a typical fire. Compared to other materials, it is significantly lighter. At night, it is easy to display your message in billboard. But what about day when the sun is bright? FC Pro model have super high brightness solution. It can reach 1200 to 4500 nit brightness. It can be used in any sunshine environment. Sunshine no longer stop your workflow. So be fearless about outdoor. It can be used in any sunshine area, like Middle East high temperature area, or any high brightness area. Water can be dangerous for billboard. FC Pro can be reach IP68 high-level waterproof. It can be used in heavy rain. It can also be used in coastal cities. Don't worry about salt spray erosion and high-temperature deformation. Our city runs on electricity. Billboards are known as energy guzzlers, but FC Pro designed accordingly the power energy saving solution. Instead of wasting energy, it's able to work at low watts condition, but no compromisation in quality. Not only straight, FC Pro model also have 90-degree solution. Also circle solution. Low resolution and laggy footage are boring, right? And that's why FC Pro gives you 8K refresh solution. You can maintain it from front side and also from back side. Wire connection can be a headache. That's why FC Pro use hub connection. FC Pro mostly used as 3D billboard. Not only as 3D billboard, any outdoor display you can imagine.